Welcome back guys, this is Piyush and in today's video we are going to see how to apply for SIN if you have received your COPR or PR and where all you need to update your SIN once you get it. In the end, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Easy Canada. Now let's move on to how to apply for SIN. Let's get started with process of applying SIN for Canada. Search apply SIN online. You would be getting this link on canada.ca. I will be giving the exact link in the description as well. Click on this. Now scroll down. In the apply online section, click on apply online for a SIN. Over here, the first option that you need to select is the type. So if you are already in Canada and if your status is getting changed from temporary resident to a permanent residence, in that case you need to select change of status. If you are applying for a first time SIN number, in that case you need to first social insurance number. And if you are in India as well, in that case as well you need to select the first social insurance number. But in my scenario, as I was on work permit and my status has been changed, I am going with the change of status option. Now in the applicant's information, you need to give your first name and this would be your last name. So I'm giving some random value as of now. In applicant's family name, over here as well you need to select as last name. Okay. In the date of birth section, you need to select your date of birth, whatever it is. Like I'm giving some random value for now. And now coming on to the next section, that is applicant's parent. So you need to give your father name over here, father name, and surname. Okay. So you can give mother name and last name. So next category is the telephone number. Over here you have to provide your number with a country code so that it is easier for them to reach you out if in case needed. Ideally it is not. And the next section is the language of evening telephone number. You can skip it as it is not mandatory. Language of correspondence, in this case I'm selecting English. You need to select your gender. Are you residing in Canada? Suited as per your need. If I am in Canada, I'm selecting yes. Applicant status in Canada. If you have received your COPR, then you are eligible to apply under permanent resident category. Okay. The next option is that what type of document you will be submitting. So if you have received the COPR, in that case you can select confirmation of permanent residence. If you have received your PR card, so you can select permanent resident card. Okay. So if you have received COPR, you will select this option. Now you have to give your birthplace, that is city name, country, India, and let's say Rajasthan. Okay. Did the applicant ever have a SIN number? You have to, as per your criteria, you have to select it. In my case, it is yes. I'm giving some random number, whichever is your existing SIN number. Then you have to give your mailing address. So this mailing address should be matching with the proof of address document that you need to upload. Okay, some random address I'm giving. As I'm in Canada, I'm selecting the address of Canada. Province is Ontario. Postal code is L5P46. I'm selecting some random value over here. You need to select as per your Yes. Now you have to click on the I've read the privacy statement. Click on next. Now if you're applying for yourself, in that case you will be selecting yes. Then whatever is your name, first name and last name, you have to give it over here. Then you have to provide the like PR card or COPR card, and along with the address document you can provide your work permit over here, and you can provide your DL as well for this purpose. So if you will click on this, you will get the list of documents that you can submit in place of primary document and secondary document, and in the case of proof of address as well. So once you will click on add files, you need to upload the files. Once you would be done with that, you have to click I certify that all the information is correct and true, and then you would be submitting the application. Once you would be submitting this application, you would be getting an application number. So usually after 2 or 3 weeks, you would be getting your SIN number, and that SIN number you need to apply it in certain places, I would say. So in the next section we are going to cover that. So around after 2 or 3 weeks you would be getting your SIN number. Once you are having your SIN number, you need to update it in at least 4 systems. One is you need to update in the bank. Second, you have to update in the it to the employer. Next is if you have certain investments like RRSP or RS3 through Well Simple and all, over there you have to update it. And last but not the least, you have to create a new CRA account, because once your old SIN is deactivated, your CRA account would also be. So you have to create a new CRA account with a new SIN number. And there might be some other. If you know, please do let me know in the comments. And if you have any concerns or questions, I would be happy to help you. Thank you.